All right, we've got the head off, we have the jugs off. Looking at the pistons and the connecting rods, this one is absolutely lovely. Flops back and forth, no real play. Everything is wonderful and happy duty. This one, not so much. I'm holding it here with a crowbar, and I can't barely push it back and forth on the crankshaft. I mean, it is really tight. And I've never seen one so tight before that I have to do that. So it's very, very tight, and I don't know what to do. I mean, at this point in time, we've got two choices. We can start it up and run it like this, just tighter than heck, and I really don't think that's a good idea unless somebody else can say that it is. And the second choice is to take the engine out, split the cases, and find out why that crankshaft is so tight, why this journal is so tight inside the connecting rod. But I mean, it really is really is tight, and that's just ridiculously tight. So I'm gonna let you take a look at this video, and then we can talk. Okay, that's it.